Hey homegirls, welcome back to the channel. We are at IKEA because I haven't been to IKEA in a while and I just want to see what they have. So we are going shopping today and just seeing what's new in the store. This is just really gonna be a shopping vlog. I don't really know what they have anymore, but the things I have been seeing are really nice. So let's do it. One thing about me is every time I come to IKEA, I'm going in the showroom. I just like love seeing all the decor ideas. It's so cute. So this is a really cool piece. I don't like the white top. Not they having a time. Anyway, this is a nice piece. I don't really love the white top. I feel like a darker top would be nice, but I love this. Do you guys like the IKEA kitchens? Like, I feel like it's cute, but sometimes it can get a little cheap. So one of the new things that I see is their lighting. I feel like they're really stepping up their lighting, which I like. This is really cute. I'm not sure about the silver, but I like the concept of it. They also have these floor lamps, which I like, but I wonder if they come like in a different color. $84.99 is not too bad, especially if it comes like in a nice gold. I'm not sure if I love the silver, but the silver is nice depending on like your aesthetic in your house. Honestly, the coffee tables at IKEA used to eat so bad, but really, I feel they've upgraded a lot of their shelves, which, let me show y'all, the shelves are really good. I really love how IKEA is doing some of the darker kind of like consoles now. I love this color. Honestly, I say I'm not a DIY girly, but seeing stuff like this makes me want to DIY. Here's the thing. If I could like do my own like little bookshelf situation, I would, but I just don't trust myself. I don't trust myself to do it. And I feel like I don't take this enough patience either, but I think this is such a good alternative if you like have like little coves in your living room, or you want to put this in the office or wherever. I think this is such a good alternative to DIY something, get something a little more inexpensive, and yeah, make it work in your space. Alright, so I'm in the section where the pack systems are, which is their closets. You can actually customize a closet to fit your space, but I do want to customize my pantry, and I wonder, low-key, if the pack system could work. Like the base of it, I really think it could, and I feel like I can DIY that. That's pretty easy. It's just like taking out the shelves, pretty much doing the putty in the walls, painting the walls again, and then putting the system in, like something like this, obviously, without the doors. But I don't know, I'm just looking at some of the options. But I definitely want to use the pack system for our closet just to give it a more custom feel, because I feel like we lose a lot of the vertical space. And they have some really good options, and they have a new color, which I showed you guys. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. This is kind of like my idea of when I think of the pack system though, which I like. But you see how like they have like these dividers? I could do something like this in my pantry. So just getting like maybe a couple of these and having that, the vibe in the pantry. I don't know. We will see. Maybe not as small as this, but something similar. I used to love coming to IKEA as a kid because they have the best like toys for kids in the cutest rooms. But now I'm gonna go downstairs to see if I can find some new like items that are out on the floor. So let's see what we find. Off rip, I see a couple of things that are new, at least new to me. I don't know. I didn't really like check the website to see what is new right now, but I think these are so pretty, like the little placemats, and they have some black in them. I really like those. I think that's really pretty, and I wasn't planning on getting the cart, but I may have to get one now. Okay, IKEA eating with the toilet swings. I did see on TikTok they have the actual like bamboo lids now, and you can put them on, I guess they're supposed to fit on different containers that they sell. I do want to do like that salad jar trend, but I think these are so pretty. Like literally all you have to do, get you a lid, and then you can pretty much find like your actual container of glass. So that's definitely something a little newer. I feel like that's in store. Again, everything is relatively new for me because I have not been to IKEA forever. Okay, wait, I love this color. I don't like how it's not expandable, but I definitely do love this color. They also have these individual ones as well that you can put in the drawer, so they're $7, which is not a bad price. I think that's pretty good. I love the color. This color is so pretty. They have a white as well and a gray. Look at this, y'all. At this point, you guys know I'm a sucker for anything that is like warm wood or bamboo-like. This is so pretty, especially like to serve things on. But for $40, I don't know about that. Okay, IKEA, but wait, come through. Like what? We are putting out seasonal decor now? The fact that they have seasonal decor is crazy. I love this too. It's so pretty. I love it. They also made like a little arrangement, which is so cute. Nice little inspo for the fall. Oh, and they also have some like different stems and things you can use for like your fall decor. Oh, cute. This was the first. I love this. Even though it's on a smaller scale, I think, you know, it could definitely serve its purpose depending on the space, but it's so cute. One of the things that I definitely have been getting into is just getting like pillow inserts, which is what IKEA has. So some of them are like stuff, you can buy them stuff, and then most of them are pillow inserts, which is the way to go these days. Definitely the way to go. What? What? Wait a minute. I love this one. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. I don't know if I would pay this price point for this size, but that is absolutely beautiful. I love that. All of these rugs are really pretty, actually. This one is really pretty as well. My camera went dead, but IKEA has really stepped up on the rugs, if I do say so myself. But now in the home decor, and look at these baskets. IKEA girl, this is cute. I'm feeling this. How pretty is this? Okay, but wait, IKEA, girl. So if you watch my dining room makeover video, these are the frames that I used, and they're pretty inexpensive. I cannot remember the price because I don't see them. Wait, I think I just found it. It says $11.99, but I don't remember paying that much. I think I paid like $8.99, but you know, inflation.